Welcome everybody to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill with yours truly, no risk and no premium. Guys, what is up? What is happening? Well, we said yesterday on the sermon, a huge double top, and basically we would need a gap through and above this supply area. Did not get it today. Had a nice down day right back to the 380, 390-ish area. You could see here. I'll go ahead and zoom in for you guys so you can see it, right? And we actually, if you actually saw, we opened up right where the 5MA was and closed beneath it, right? We closed beneath it. So we knew 390, huge level, came off that. And now we see underneath the 5MA and the 21 EMA is this yellow line here, 380, 380, right? Where we can see it's the bottom of this daily candle here. So to me, I think we magnet down and probably try this 380. Now the futures are down about 19 handles. Obviously, futures do not matter till the morning, but just something to note. That SPY is down actually maybe $1.50 from where it actually closed at. So you see 382 right here. We closed at 384. Okay. So what happens tomorrow? Well, we have CPI data on Wednesday. I fully anticipate for there to be some sort of basing tomorrow, whether it's a move in the morning, then a complete base, or a nice range bound day tomorrow where we just ping pong between levels. To me, between 380 and 384 would make sense to ping pong in between there. Why? Because it was resistance, and now maybe, or excuse me, it was resistance and maybe it's support, but maybe we break through and now we have the 380 and 384 ping pong until that data comes out tomorrow morning. So let's back up here real quick. Let's take a look. Okay, let's zoom out. We saw the 50 MA. We said on the sermon, every time we pop up, we can't get through that 50 MA, right? So we popped up again, finally got through the 20 MA is a green dotted, and then we failed a huge supply zone here. Now looks like we're gonna try to head back down to 380. If you're a bull, if you are so bullish and you are just so biased to have this gap filled, well, you know, I was saying I didn't think it was going to get filled. Now I think we might head lower and then bounce back up there at some later point. So I guess I'm not wrong yet, but it doesn't really matter if I'm wrong. It only matters if you make money, right? So I really don't care in the sense of being right or wrong. I just want my levels to work. So I think that we don't make it up here quite yet. We go down and probably test this 20 MA is 380. Bulls want no lower than 380. Okay. They want no lower than 3 because back through the 20 MA basically is going to tell us that we're going right back down here to 372, 370. If both of those give, you see this little tiny gap right here. I will zoom in on it. Bing bong, 372, 369. It's about $1 gap right here. You can see this. So if we bust down through 372, then I would say 370. Big level there. I would think 372 would likely bounce. I mean, 1, 2, 3, and we had a fourth one right here. So 4 bounces out of there. I would like to see definitely a bounce if we make it down there tomorrow. Okay, I'm expecting us to range tomorrow into the CPI data. White House already came out and said it's probably going to be hot. They do that every time they try to price it in. Every single time. The reaction on it probably initially would be bullish, no matter what it is. It'll probably pop you up, try to catch offsides, but that doesn't come till Wednesday, so we don't care. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Guys, levels to the downside, 380, 376, 374, 372, 370, 365, 362. Upside levels, 390, hoe and a half, 392, even a bigger hoe. And then 396, then 400. Okay, really simple stuff. Still filling out this nice bear flag here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens tomorrow, guys. Get your homework done. Get your levels ready. Get up bright and early in the pre-market. I'll see you then. Peace.